Now that we're underneath the truck with the battery disconnected, we're gonna go ahead and start removing the harness. Fix my camera a little bit. Go ahead and remove this protective cap and pull it aside, because you will need to reinstall this. This keeps it keeps anything from grounding out from these positives. This one goes straight to your battery, so if this one grounds out on anything, that's bad news for pretty much your whole vehicle. Right here we have a 10mm for this little one right here. This is your signal wire. This is what goes to your ignition switch whenever you turn the key to start it. You have your ground here and your main positive lead right here. So your main positive lead is a 13mm as well as your ground. We're going to go ahead and start by removing the harness. So we need to remove these three bolts, or I'm sorry, these three nuts, and then we'll push the harness out of the way so we can easily remove the starter afterwards. The harness is now separated and out of the way of the starter. I have got my electric ratchet on the next bolt. Right here. So as you're looking at the starter, and if you need a reference, you can look at your new starter and you can see that there's three bolts, that one and that one back there. The one up top is a little bit more difficult to get a hold of, so that's the one I usually like to start with. That way I'm not struggling and dropping a starter on my face, because that makes me not happy. Alright, to get that top bolt, this is pretty much what I've just fashioned together. We have a 3-inch extension with a swivel joint and a deep 13 for my 3/8 electric ratchet. The swivel joint's really just there to give it the extra length it needs, because 2-3 inches is too long. So we'll go ahead and get that top bolt out now. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually just go up from over top and slide it back, and you either have to get a good eye on it or just feel it with your hands like I'm gonna do. And once you have it on the bolt, you can go ahead and start torquing down. Alright, top bolt out. I'm gonna take this U-joint off. If it stop hitting me in the face, that'd be wonderful. Alright, and with that last bolt removed, you can now pull the starter straight out and go ahead and install your new starter in the reverse order. Alright, after reinstalling your starter, go ahead and reconnect your negative battery terminal and tighten that down. Alright, and that's all there is to it. Installing a starter on a 2003 Ford E250 with the 5.4 liter V8. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and please subscribe. Help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thanks much. God bless.